This juicy pepper lamb burger is packaged well inside a sourdough bun. Don't fret if you hate the sourness and grit of the sourdough. The sourness accents the pepper and lamb's distinct taste. Also, buy a sourdough with a soft skin or sourdough buns. Cooking is fast and easy. First, break up a quarter-pound lamb patty or grounds on a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, oil that is extracted from olives to preserve its flavor and odor. Season with a 2:1 peppercorn salt ratio and cover it to preserve its liquids. When you flip the burger patty, add some parsley, cover, and let it steam underneath. Slice some tomato and steam a few slices in the same way. Turn off the heat or the tomatoes will turn into a soup. You can grate some cheese to steam or top it off on the bun. All the juices will be absorbed by the sourdough bun, giving this burger a clean and dry outside, yet a gooey goodness inside.